Okay, 8th grade science Earth cycles test. Number 1. For billions of years, our sun, a yellow main sequence star, has radiated solar energy into space. The energy that reaches Earth has been most responsible for which of the following? Creating electricity from solar panels, changing ocean levels known as tides, convection within Earth's atmosphere leading to weather patterns, the limited plant life found at the poles. Number 2, the following diagram depicts the observations of a student as a science teacher demonstrates the process of convection. Which of the following correctly relates the components of the demonstration to real-life processes? The candle represents the sun's heat, and the spinner represents the tectonic plates. The candle represents the sun's heat, and the moving spinner represents movements in the atmosphere. The candle represents heat within the earth, and the spinner represents movements in the atmosphere. The candle represents heat within the earth, and the string represents the gravitational pull between the earth and sun. Number 3. Hurricanes and similar storm systems begin over oceans. The map below shows average surface temperatures of the oceans in the summer. Oceanic surface temperatures in summer. Key: -9 degrees to 12.7 degrees. 12.8 degrees to 26.3 degrees. 26.4 degrees to 30.9 degrees. Based on the map, which area probably produced the most violent storm systems? 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 4. What is one condition that is necessary for a hurricane to form? Warm ocean water, a strong cold front, cold ocean water, a strong warm front. Number 5. The weather map shows the weather conditions for one day across the United States. Based on the weather map, which city will most likely experience decreasing temperatures during the next 24 hours? Denver, because it's raining there. Minneapolis, because a cold front is approaching. Atlanta, because a warm front is approaching. Houston, because it is in a high pressure area. Number 6. The weather map shows air pressures in millibars. Which set of conditions best describes the weather at the area of lowest air pressure? Bright sun with no wind, partly cloudy with no wind, mostly sunny with light winds, overcast skies with strong winds. Number 7. A student stands at the point marked X on the topographic map below. Topographic map, X, contour interval 10. What height in meters must the student climb in order to reach the top of the hill? Record your answers and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use correct place value. Number 8. The satellite image below shows a portion of the Namib Desert in Africa. This is an ancient sandy desert with dunes that can be up to 305 meters tall. The Namib Desert extends inland from the Atlantic Ocean between 80 kilometers and 200 kilometers and receives only 5 millimeters to 76 millimeters of rain each year. A satellite picture at this same area taken weeks before shows that the shape and location of some sand dunes have changed. Which of these most likely caused the changes in the dunes? Ocean waves, flowing rivers, blowing wind, crustal uplift. Number 9, a section of a topographic map is shown below. X, Y, contour interval 20. What is the difference in elevation in meters between point X and point Y on the map? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value. Number 10. Which of the following has the greatest effect on the Earth's tides? The moon's gravitational pull, the sun's gravitational pull, the position of Venus and Mars, convection heat from thermal vents. Number 11. What season is it in the southern hemisphere during January? Spring, summer, fall, winter. Number 12. Which of the following would be an accurate picture of the Earth during the summertime of the northern hemisphere? Use the following diagram to answer the next two questions. Number 13. Between which 2 points in the diagram above would a waxing gibbous phase of the moon be visible to people on Earth? Between W and X, X and Y, Y and Z, between Z and W. Number 14. Which of the following is most accurately portrayed in the model? The ratio of the size of the sun and the Earth. The ratio of the sun and the size of the moon and the sun. The movement of the Earth around the sun. The movement of the moon around the Earth. Number 15. Which of the following major moon phases would occur after new moon? Full, gibbous, quarter, new. Number 16. In what phase is the moon during a solar eclipse? No visible light on the moon. Full, gibbous, quarter, new. Number 17. A student keeps a record of the phases of the moon for 1 month. On the first night of the student's observations, the full moon is visible in the sky. After the full moon, which of these phases will the student observe next? Waxing crescent moon, waxing gibbous moon, waning crescent moon, waning gibbous moon. Number 18. Earth would not have seasons if it no longer tilted on its axis, stopped rotating on its axis, took an additional month to orbit the sun, revolved around the sun in the opposite direction. Number 19. North Pole, Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn, South Pole. Which of these locations on Earth experiences the least change in the number of daylight hours throughout the year? Equator, North Pole, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. Number 20. The diagram below shows 4 positions in Earth's orbit around the sun. The northern hemisphere experiences the beginning of spring when Earth is in position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4.